Look at the ant's nest.
Yeah. Like,
Oh yeah.
it's pretty tough, but well, it's definitely coming down nice and easy. It's a very life-sustaining wall. This was going out the wall.
Good. Tuesday morning, day after bank holiday, and we've got a little demolition job to do, a little rebuild on the wall. And I've just been sorting out next couple of jobs, materials and what have you, and ordering stuff. And Alex has jumped the gun a bit. Is it tough, Al?
They're held together. The bricks are tough, but where the weak points are, the pillars weren't even. They just came off.
Mad, isn't it? It's just soil, isn't it? Look at the ant's nest.
Yeah. Obviously, some of it is pretty.
Red ants. They bite them.
Like.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty tough, but it comes off in big sections.
I think that's probably soft at that bit. I think that's been rebuilt from the.
Yeah.
I think the bottom bit's lime, and then the top bit's been rebuilt in sand cement.
Yeah.
That'll probably just pull out that. Just have to be careful with the flowers and that.
It is so far. Yeah, it's just pulling out now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a rebuild. And this here, this is an old job of mine. This used to be a pillar here, and a pillar there. And the customer had just moved in, wants to get the car through, and didn't like how narrow it was, so she asked me to get rid of the piers completely and just rebuild the ends of the wall. And then tarmac it, which came up with a really nice job. That's really lasted well. The last one we did is a mess. That tarmac's great. Morning.
Well, it's definitely coming down nice and easy. Dad's cleaning, getting it clean as we go along. So there's what we've got. It's a very life-sustaining wall. This was going out the wall, and then there's bloody about 3 ant colonies so far that I've come across.
It's all ecosystem.
Yeah. But I just waiting on the skip now because obviously, as you can see, it's getting a bit. All right.
That's just what you want to be doing on a day like this.
Obviously now we need the skip to arrive so we can clear up the mess that we've made for ourselves. Oh, there's a sliver of a breeze then. Oh, anyway. So yeah, just
Feel a bit mean repossessing a couple of million ants.
Hmm?
Feel a bit mean, not repossessing.
Relocating.
Yeah.
They're moving all the lava as well. It's a whole of the
They're getting ready to fly soon.
civilization in here.
Hot enough for flat weather.
Yeah. Yeah, and then we spoke to, I don't know if we've mentioned this, we spoke to the neighbours. They're getting this wall done eventually, but not yet. So this pillar that was in the middle, we were just allowed to take that down. We're just going to build up to the half, make it look pretty. For now, because obviously, like I say, it's not sure when they're getting it done, so we'll just keep it looking nice for now, and then build our wall up to it. Aye, crack on.
It's 12:10, right? It's bloody scorching. We've had our dinner, early because we've been waiting. trying to look busy, trying to keep busy. So the skip's just arrived now, so yeah, we can get all this stuff skipped up, tidied up and ready to go. The roll's down and prepped and ready. We just need the materials coming this afternoon from Fairwoods, and then hopefully we should get an hour on it later on, get the corners up, get it patched up ready, get it all set out. So let's go get the skip dropped.
Never been so happy to see a skip wagon. Now we can start getting all that crap moved, and then we just wait for the materials. Gives me something to do as well. So while Dad's getting the thing cut into the wall, cut into position.
Just getting skips later, I won't look over it.
No?
It's alright, and we can get stuck in. I'll start on these, I'll start on the other stuff. I can lift, but I can't walk with weight. Not as much as I used to be able to. So I reckon we'll have this rattled off in an hour, and hopefully Ferds will have paid us a visit by then. Yeah, great service Home Skate Skips. And we've actually gained a couple of jobs on YouTube because of Home Skate Skips. Because people have wanted us to work for them and not realise where we are, and they've seen Home Skate Skips and realised we're local to Home Skate Skips. So we've got a few jobs thanks to them.
Let's go see what we got.
Oh yeah, forgot the wheelbarrow. Of course we did.
Oh, check that stopwatch. 53 minutes.
53 minutes. We'd have had that done in 15. It wasn't 30 degrees.
And if we went, well, yeah,
With a barrow.
with a barrow and went blowing ourselves with, no, don't. Shut up. If we weren't cooling off with the blower. Shut up. Filth, a lot of yous. Well, there we go. It's done. And considering we're too bloody roasting to do a lot of skip stacking. Not too bad. Plenty of room for a bit more stuff. Lovely. So now we're just on the wait for Fairwoods, which said in the afternoon. It's about 1:20 now. So sooner the better, so we can get a little mix on and just get started, get like a bit of a corner. Fix the other side. Yeah. Help.